Main interface. Open palletizing settings. Password is lowercase m. To teach the palletizing point, move the end of the robot to the palletizing point by pointing. Enable the robot. The robot can be accelerated appropriately here. Modify the jog mode to base-cooled system jog. Reduce the speed after the position in order to reach the position accurately. Disable. Turn on the pallet point correction. Click the demonstration teaching. After confirming the position is correct, save. Right side of the palletizing point is taught. Teach the left palletizing point in the same way. Click to teach, confirm the position and save. Return to the main interface after teaching.